One pot cheap meal for just $7. The perfect budget family dinner. Start with your kielbasa sausage. Slice it on a bias into thin rounds. Kielbasa is one of those sausages that turns even the simplest, cheapest ingredients into a family dinner worth remembering. Cut it into halves or quarters. Quick and easy, the perfect start to this budget meal. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to the pan over medium-high heat. While the oil heats up, toss in your kielbasa sausage. Stir the sausage around and let it brown for 3 to 4 minutes. Friends, I'm really curious, where are you all watching from? Tell me your city, your country, and if you're in the US, let me know your state as well. I'd love to hear it. Remove the sausage from the pan and set aside. Cut up your potatoes into small, bite-sized cubes. Potatoes are one of the cheapest ways to make a meal go further and still keep everyone full. Back in tough times, potatoes were the go-to ingredient to stretch a meal. That's exactly why we're using them here. Place the cut potatoes in a bowl and rinse under cool water a few times to wash off the starch. Strain the potatoes, lay them on a kitchen towel, and pat them dry really well. This is the secret to any cheap potato meal. Dry them well and you'll get that golden, crispy bite. Once the potatoes are dry, place them back in the bowl and season with oil, salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, garlic powder, and Italian herbs. Toss the potatoes around, let them soak up all those spices. This is what makes them taste amazing. In the same pan where we browned the sausage, with a little flavor left from the fat, add some oil and drop in the potatoes. Cook on medium heat for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring now and then until golden and tender inside. While the potatoes cook, roughly dice the onion. Onion is the flavor base in this recipe. It builds sweetness and depth that balance the potatoes and sausage. Another key ingredient here is the red bell pepper. It gives the dish a nice pop of color and a light crunch. Slice it into long strips, then chop into medium chunks. After a few more tosses, add the chopped onion over the potatoes. And then add the chunked red bell pepper. Season with a little salt and black pepper. Then give everything a good mix so the flavors come together. You can already smell that amazing aroma filling the kitchen. The potatoes, onions, peppers, and spices coming together. This is the kind of smell that makes a cheap meal feel like real comfort food. Now it's time to add the browned kielbasa sausage back into the pan. Wow, the smell in the kitchen right now is just incredible. You can almost taste it just from the smell. The next ingredient is mozzarella, which we're going to grate nice and fine. Mozzarella is the secret that turns simple, budget ingredients into real comfort food. Sprinkle the mozzarella on top. It gives this pan dinner that melty, stretchy finish everyone loves. Crack the eggs and add them one by one right on top. Pour in a splash of water, then cover the pan so the eggs cook gently in the steam for about 5 to 6 minutes. Finally, chop just the green part of the onion for freshness and a pop of color. Sprinkle the green onion on top, and that's it. Dinner is ready. Simple budget ingredients, cooked together in one pot, turning into rich flavor and a hearty family dinner. I hope you enjoyed this delicious cheap meal today. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and family, and let me know what you think in the comments.